Here's why imaging isn't as useful as you think. The reason is because imaging is oftentimes ordered or done without a clear physical exam. So most of the time, you'll go to your primary care, some sort of provider, and they won't actually do a thorough assessment. And they'll just say, oh, it hurts in this area, let's just get an x-ray of it. Well, if there's no trauma or anything like that, well, an x-ray isn't really gonna give you much information. X-rays are primarily looking for bony abnormalities or misalignment issues, or they're looking for fractures. So if there's no trauma, it's highly unlikely that that's gonna be the case. Same thing with MRIs. A lot of times the x-ray is negative, so we'll just order an MRI. Well, again, they haven't done a physical exam to say oh, interesting, you have a weak rotator cuff. Let's get an MRI to look at the rotator cuff itself. And then that MRI then becomes meaningful. But if you just order a picture without a detailed physical exam, it gives you no information. And our imaging technology is really, really good. So a lot of times it picks up things that aren't painful. So in most cases, imaging isn't really helpful unless there's a really strong physical exam component to go with it. And unfortunately, in our current healthcare system, providers either, one, don't have the time to do it, or they just don't have a good physical exam.